Tomorrow you have a test. Okay, tomorrow you have a test. So today we're going to review. Everybody, you need a notebook and paper. Well, a notebook and a pencil. Sorry. Remember, today is the day to ask any question that you have. Today is the day to ask any question that you have. Let's get started. First, open your book to Unit 4, Lesson A. Unit 4, Lesson A. Page 35. All right. Well, class, the first thing that's really, really important on this test is simple present statements. That's really important. In the present, there are two types of verbs. We use two types of verbs. Write this in your notebook. In the present, we use two types of verbs in affirmations. With I, you, we, and they, we use a base verb. ¿Todos pueden ver? Can everybody see, or is that too small? Okay, Michael, you can see? Yeah, okay, good. With I, you, we, they, we use a base verb. Base verbs are like eat, play, watch, etc. With he, she, it, we use a third person singular verb. All right. For example, eat in third person singular is eats, play, plays, watch, watches, etc. Another very important thing. We also use a base verb with plural subjects. Plural subjects. That means if two people, use a base verb. Two things, use a base verb. And singular subjects, we use a verb in third person singular. All right, third person singular. So if I say, I watch TV in the morning, watch TV is a base verb or a third person singular verb? What is it? Base verb or
Base
third
verb.
person?
Base verb.
It's a base
Base
verb.
verb.
All right. How can I say the same information, but if the subject is she?
She watches
Yes.
TV.
She watches
Watch
TV in the morning.
it.
Very good. She watches. All right, good. Remember, in English, you need at least one subject and one verb in every sentence. En inglés necesitas mínimo un sujeto y un verbo para cada oración. Mínimo. Pueden haber dos sujetos, pueden haber dos verbos, but minimum one subject and one verb. And I say this because sometimes people forget the subject. Sometimes people forget the subject. Okay, and that is for affirmations, affirmative sentences. Now, in negative sentences, we use two verbs. An auxiliary verb and a base verb. An auxiliary verb and a base verb. Okay? Remember, with I, you, they, we, you go with don't, and then a base verb. I, you, we, they, plural subjects, plus don't, plus a base verb. And with he, she, it, and singular subjects, use doesn't and a base verb. Doesn't and a base verb. For example, me, I don't watch TV. I don't watch TV. How can I say the same sentence, but with the subject she?
It doesn't.
She
watch
doesn't.
TV.
She doesn't watch
She
TV.
doesn't watch TV. Exactly, exactly. Very good. All right, very quickly. This information is very specific, but what is the difference between wake up and get up? What is the difference?
Despertar y levantar.
Ah, very good. Wake up when you open your eyes, right? And get up is when you stand up, usually from bed. Wake up es cuando abres los ojos y get up es cuando te levantas de la cama o del sofá o del piso donde duermas. Okay. Wake up and get up. On the test, you're going to have a question like this. I, la, early. I, la, early. And the options are going to be get up, B, gets up, or C, get ups.
A.
The answer is A. I get up early. All right. I get up early. Another type of question you will have on the test is this. Can I erase the information?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Another question you will have on the test is something like this. What is the correct answer?
Have coffee.
Have coffee.
I have coffee.
Yes. Nadia, is it correct to say take coffee?
Yes.
No, it's not correct. Y les digo, no es correcto porque cuando usas take normalmente significa llevarte algo, ¿no? Tomar algo. Si dices take coffee, es como que te estás robando el café. All right. So be careful with that. It's not take coffee, it's have coffee. Bueno, a menos que te lo estés robando. Entonces sí, adelante. I take coffee in the morning. That's cool. Maybe del Oxxo te robas un andati. All right. Well, I have coffee in the morning. An andati would be really good right now. Then look. She, la, all night. A, study. B, studies. Or C, studies. What is the correct answer?
Sí.
Sí.
C, she studies all night. That kind of question will be on the test. Right? Eloy, right now, just listen and take notes, okay?
Okay, okay.
All right. And on the test, you will also have negative questions about negative things. This is a similar question from the test. She don't like, she doesn't like, she don't likes. What is the correct?
She doesn't like.
Doesn't like. Es muy importante que cuando usen doesn't, no le pongan S al otro verbo. No digan doesn't likes. El verbo que lleva S solo se usa en afirmaciones, no en oraciones negativas. Okay? That's all. She doesn't like pizza. Michelle and Jaylee, wake up late, wakes up late, wake up late.
Third one, wake up.
Wake up.
Wake up. Exactly. The second one is not correct because el verbo con S solo se usa con sujetos singulares. Y ahí hay dos personas, Michelle and Jaylee. Okay. Y nunca se pone la S en la preposición. Se pone la S en el verbo, nunca en la preposición. Okay. So that's it. And those kind of questions will be on the test because these concepts are really important. Tienen que saber cuándo usar un verbo en su forma base, cuándo usar un verbo en tercera persona singular, cuándo usar don't, cuándo usar doesn't, cuándo no poner una S al verbo, cuándo sí poner una S al verbo, cuándo saber si algo singular, cuándo saber cuándo es algo plural. Son conceptos que tienen que saber y son conceptos que vendrán en el examen. Do you understand this? Yeah. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go to the next page. Well, not the next page, the next lesson, page 37. 37. Please take 1 minute to read the grammar chart. Eloy, al final de la clase te quedas conmigo un poquito y te voy a enviar el libro.
Okay, correcto.
Right now, just take some notes.
Okay.
Class, take 1 minute to read the grammar chart, please. Okay. So look, preguntas cerradas. Yes or no questions in the simple present. Preguntas cerradas del presente simple las usamos para preguntar sobre hábitos, rutinas y cosas generales del presente. Habits, routines, and general things about the present. La estructura es muy sencilla. Se usan dos verbos también, como si fuera una oración negativa, solo que la orden cambia un poco. Y en vez de usar don't y doesn't, usamos do y does. Primero va do o does en la pregunta, después el sujeto o sujetos, y después un verbo en su forma base. Igual, en preguntas nunca se usa, bueno, en preguntas con do y does nunca se usa un verbo con S, siempre con el verbo en su forma base. Siempre, siempre, siempre. Ahora aquí el problema es cuándo usar do, cuándo usar does. But it's easy. It's easy. El does va con todos los sujetos que se usa con tercera persona singular. El he, she, it, and singular subjects. Do goes with they, we, you, I, and plural subjects. Okay. Easy, easy. Los mismos sujetos que se usan con el verbo con S o en oraciones negativas con doesn't, van con does. Y igual los verbos que van con verbos en su forma base en afirmaciones o con don't en oraciones negativas, se usa do. Los mismos sujetos. Do you like pizza? ¿Te gusta la pizza? Do you like pizza? What happens if I change the subject to they? What is the question, Yolanda, with they?
Do they like pizza?
Do they like pizza? Good. And Daniela, with we?
Do we like pizza?
Ari with I?
Do I like pizza?
Nice. Thank you. Nadia with she.
Does she like pizza? Likes pizza?
Like pizza, sin la S. All right.
Like pizza.
Yes, yes. Remember, in questions with do or does, The verb is in base form, no S. Michael, what about with he?
Does he like pizza?
Does he like pizza? And Eloy with it?
Does it like pizza?
Does it like pizza? All right, let's complicate it a little bit more. What about the subject, your mom? Daniela, your mom.
Does your mom like pizza?
Does your mom like pizza? What about the subject, Yolanda? Your parents. Your parents.
Do, perdón, do they like pizza?
Okay, but use the word your parents.
Okay. Do your parents like pizza?
Very good. Do your parents like pizza? Hay que darle un poco de atención a estas dos preguntas. Mucha gente confunde el your con you. Y siempre quieren poner do con your. Pero recuerden que el your no importa. El your no es el sujeto. El your lo único que es un adjetivo posesivo. Nos muestra posesión o relación a alguien. ¿Cuál mamá? La tuya. ¿Cuáles papás? Los tuyos. Your mom. Lo que importa no es el your. Es lo que va después de your para saber si usar el does o usar el do. Okay? Does your mom like pizza? Do your parents like pizza? Nadia. Your children.
Does your children like pizza?
And your child? Nadia.
Do your child
Do or does your
like
child?
pizza?
Do or does your child?
Do your child?
Okay. Casi, casi. Children es plural. Okay. Children es plural. Así que con sujetos plurales usamos do. Do your children like pizza? Y child es singular. Remember, children puede ser niños, niñas, niñas, and hijos, hijas, ¿no? And child es uno. Puede ser niño, niña, hijo, hija. It's different. One last one. One last session. Eloy, the same question, but with the subject, your brother.
What was the question?
The same question, pero cambia el sujeto a your brother. Usaría do o does.
Pero lo demás de la oración.
Like pizza.
Y es que yo me revolví. ¿La persona cuál era?
Your brother.
Okay. Does your brother like pizza?
Does your brother like pizza? Good job. Les voy a dar una palabra muy confusa. Ariana, your family.
Do your family like pizza?
Almost. It's does your family. Does your family. Because yes, there are a lot of people in the family, but it's one family.
No, but it's one group.
Yeah, it's one unit. All right. And that's it. Quiero hacer otra sin que tengan errores. Let's see. Daniela, your teacher.
Your teacher.
Yeah.
Does your teacher like pizza?
Does your teacher like pizza? And Michael,
Yes.
your friends.
Do your friends like pizza?
Do your friends like pizza? Good job, man. Do your friends like pizza? Awesome. And remember, there are 4 short answers. There are 4 types of short answers to these questions. Pay attention to the comma. Hay 4 tipos de respuestas cortas para ese tipo de preguntas. Presten atención a las comas. Siempre hay una coma después de yes y no. Always, oh yeah o nah, lo que prefieran usar. Se usaría do we don't, yes, bla, bla, do, o no, bla, 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 don't, con I, you, we, they. And we would use yes, blah, blah, blah does, no, blah, blah, blah doesn't, with he, she, it. For example, do you like pizza? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do they like pizza? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Do we like pizza? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Do I like pizza? Yes, you do. No, you don't. Si la pregunta lleva you, la respuesta lleva I. Si la pregunta lleva I, la respuesta lleva you. And Ariana, what are the 2 answers for does she like pizza?
Yes, she does, and no, she doesn't.
Perfect. Daniela, does he like pizza?
Yes, he does. No, he doesn't.
Perfect. Yolanda, does it like pizza?
Yes, it does. No, it doesn't.
Eloy, does your mom like pizza?
Yes, he does. No, she does, and no, he doesn't. She doesn't.
No,
Sorry.
she doesn't. Good. Michael, do your parents like pizza?
Uh, yes, they do. No, they don't.
Wonderful, man. And Nadia, do your children like pizza?
Yes, they does, and no, she doesn't.
No, children is
No,
plural,
they doesn't.
but it's
No.
plural.
Oh no. Yes, they do, and no, they don't.
Exactly. Good job. What about this one, Nadia? Does your brother like pizza?
Yes, he do. And no, he don't.
Hold on, pero el he no va con don't.
I understand.
Don't worry, don't
Yes,
worry.
he doesn't. No, yes, she does, and no, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Very good. Te voy a poner más presión, Nadia. Otra. Does your teacher like pizza? Teacher Fernando.
Okay. Yes, he does, and no, he doesn't.
Perfect. All right,
Es
good,
que aquí
good,
lo
good.
tengo escrito, pero me equivoco.
Don't worry, es muy sencillo, solo es cuestión de práctica. Ponerlo junto como un rompecabezas. It's easy. All right, and the last one, Yolanda, do your friends like pizza? What are the two possible answers?
Yes, they do. No, they don't.
Thank you. And these are the yes or no questions about habits, routines, and general things about the present. Let's practice some questions that are similar to the questions on the test. Number one. Plus, right here is going to be do, does, or are.
Do.
Do.
Do. No se puede usar are.
Are you using the name?
No.
No, because it's present tense in affirmative form.
Exactly. Very good. So look, with base verbs and third person singular verbs, never use the verb be. Con los verbos en su forma base y verbos en tercera persona singular, nunca se usa el verbo be. Nunca. Sí se puede usar el verbo be con otros verbos, pero no verbos en su forma base y no verbos en tercera persona singular. Se puede usar el verbo be con verbos ing, como estar haciendo algo. I'm cooking, estoy cocinando. I am cooking. Ellos están cocinando. They are cooking. Ellos están usando el internet. They are using the internet. Pero eso es otra cosa. Eso no es un hábito, no es una rutina, no es cosa general de presente. Son acciones que están pasando en este momento. Es otro tema diferente. Y ese tema lo veremos la próxima semana. ¿Okay? Pero por el momento nunca combinen el verbo be con un verbo en su forma base y tercera persona singular. Y el use está en su forma base. Okay. Another one. On the test, you're going to have something like this. What is the correct answer?
Does.
Does. No puede ser is porque ese es el verbo be y no puedes combinar el verbo be con un verbo en su forma base. Y ahí está like en su forma base. Si combinaras is con like sería, ¿es ella gustar comer pizza? ¿Es ella gusta comer pizza? Estaría raro. Porque en inglés lo que hace el dúo does es nada más darle un significado del presente. No tiene ningún significado solo. El do y does tiene que ir acompañado con otro verbo y a ese verbo le da un significado del presente. Pero no significa nada, ¿no? Sin el otro verbo en pregunta no significa nada. Tienen que ser dos verbos para que signifique algo. The next one. Do Mike and John watch TV? The answers are going to be yes, he does. B, yes, they do. Or C, yes, they does. What is the correct answer?
Yes, they do.
Very
Yes,
good.
they do.
Yes, they do. Perfect. Yes, they do because two people, right? Lo mismo pasaría que si fueran dos mujeres. Do Michelle and Janet watch TV? Yes, they do. They para dos hombres, para dos mujeres, dos animales, dos cosas, etcétera. Dos o más, no importa si es persona, cosa, animal. It doesn't matter. They. And that's all. Can I continue? All right, great. Go to page 45, please. 45. All right, so in the previous lesson, we practiced yes or no questions in the simple present. In this lesson, we're asking information questions, preguntas abiertas. Unit 5, lesson 8, asking questions about habits, routines, and general things about the present. Information questions. Information questions son preguntas de información o preguntas abiertas. Y la estructura es muy parecida a las preguntas cerradas. Lo único que se hace es agregarle una palabra de pregunta al inicio, como el what, where, who, how often. Y la misma regla aplica sobre cuándo usar do o does. Se usa does con los verbos en tercera persona singular. Se usa do con you, I, they, we y cualquier sujeto plural. Okay. Remember, yo estoy poniendo QW. Es una abreviación para question word. Aquí les van algunas question words comunes. What es qué. When es cuándo. Where es dónde. Who es quién. How often, que aquí en México sería como cada cuándo. O con qué frecuencia. Qué tan menudo. And how old. ¿Cuántos años? ¿Cuántos años? El why es por qué. Son palabras de preguntas muy comunes. Hay más y las veremos. Pero esas son las más comunes. What, when, where, who, how often, how old, and why. All right. So, te levantas a las 6 es, do you wake up at 6? Do you wake up at 6? Te despiertas a las 6. Do you wake up at 6? How do I say ¿Por qué te despiertas a las 6?
Why do you wake up at 6?
Yeah, why do you wake up at 6? Fácil. Tomé una pregunta cerrada y lo único que hago es agregarle una palabra de pregunta y se convierte en una pregunta abierta. Es importante que usen preguntas abiertas porque en una conversación hay más probabilidad de que haya más interés de continuar la conversación si usan preguntas abiertas en vez de preguntas cerradas. Si ustedes y yo estamos hablando y solo pregunto, ¿te gusta la pizza? ¿Y te gusta México? Y vas a la escuela. Puras preguntas de sí o no, como que aburre. Pero si te pregunto, ¿cuál es tu comida preferida? ¿Qué países has visitado? Um, ¿Estás en la escuela o haces esta cosa? Preguntas abiertas donde tú tienes que hablar más que y decir más que un simple sí o no para continuar una conversación. Es mejor usar ese tipo de preguntas. Le da más vida a tus conversaciones y eso es importante cuando estás aprendiendo un idioma. Dale vida a la conversación para que tengas más de qué hablar. Why do you wake up at 6? How do I say qué haces en tu tiempo libre?
What do you
What?
do in your free time?
Okay. What do you do in your free time? How do I say dónde vives?
Where do you live?
Where do you live? How do I say con quién vives?
Who do you live with?
Who do you live with? How do I say cada cuándo vas al cine?
How
Uh,
often
What to the movie?
do you go to the movie theaters?
Yeah, to the movie theater or to the movies. Right? How often do you go to the movies? How often do you go to the movie theaters? How do I say por qué estudias inglés?
Why do you
Why do you
Why do you study English? Because I want a better job. Because I want to make more friends. Because I want to travel. Because I want to expand my services. Because I want to move to the USA or to Canada or England. Yolanda, why do you study English?
because I want to give a better word.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Because I want to, how can I say, I want to give, I want to do a better job, no? One more time, Yolanda. Why do you study English?
Because I want to do a better job.
Ok, ¿y qué quieres decir? ¿Quieres un mejor trabajo o quieres hacer un mejor trabajo?
Hacer un mejor trabajo.
Ah, perfect. Awesome. And Ariana, why do you study English?
Because I want a better job.
Perfect. Daniela?
Because I attend foreigner fashions.
Ah, very good. Because I attend foreign patients.
Fashions. Yes.
Yeah. Patients. Y para agregarle un toquecito más nativo, en vez de attend, podrías decir work with. Because I work with foreign patients. Daniela, why do you study English?
Because I work with foreigner patients.
Very good. Foreign
Foreign
patients.
patients. Okay, thank you.
All right. Good, good, good. And Nadia, why do you study English?
Because I want understand more my child.
I like that. I like that. Because I want to understand my children more. And in the house, do they speak English or Spanish?
Both.
Both. Awesome.
I have my son. He talk more English, not too much Spanish. No, he don't understand. She don't understand too much Spanish.
That's normal. It's normal. Okay. In the United States, that's very normal. Michael, why do you study English?
Because I want a better job and make more friends.
Nice. I like it. More connections. Eloy, why do you study English?
The first thing that I need to speak English is that there are many people that come here because I work in a laundromat, and there are many American people that I need to understand what they say. And the another one is that I want to go to the United States, and I don't want to get any problem when me olvidó.
When I move there, no? When I
No,
move
no,
there.
no. When I can speak with someone.
With your family.
No, 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 no. With, no sé cómo decir cualquier persona.
Oh, with anybody.
Anybody.
Anybody. Yes. Okay, okay. Basically, you want to make, more friends, and because you want to live in the United States and have a good life, right? Porque quiero vivir en los Estados Unidos y expresarme bien. Because I want to live in the US and express myself well. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right. Trabajo con muchos estudiantes que crecieron allá en Estados Unidos, pero nunca tomaron clases formales. Los llevaron allá desde niños, pero los llevaron a trabajar y hablan así inglés del barrio, inglés de trabajo. Y es difícil corregir ese inglés porque ya llevan años diciéndolo mal y sacarlos de ese hábito es difícil. Así que está bien ustedes que están aprendiendo desde cero porque les da la oportunidad de no hacer esos errores más permanentes, que es un problema cuando son más permanentes. All right, so we're good. This is the information questions in the simple present. Remember, with what you need to respond with a thing or with an activity. With when, you respond with a time. With where, you respond with a place. With who, you respond with a person. How often you respond with a frequency. How old you respond with an age, 25 years old, 26 years old. With why you respond with a reason. Okay. On the test, you're going to have a question like this. How often do you visit your family? The answers are going to be, I go all night. B, I go to the park. C, I go every weekend. What is the correct answer?
I
Sí.
go every weekend.
I go every weekend. Very good. Because every weekend is a frequency. And how often asks for a frequency. And no, that's all. No. One more question. Who do you work with? A, I work at Walmart. B, I work at night. Or C, I work with your classmates.
I
What is-
work with your classmates.
I work with your classmates. Perfect. Thank you. Any questions? All right, great. In this lesson, the next lesson, page 46, unit 5, lesson B, we practice this thing called frequency adverbs. Frequency adverbs describe the frequency of actions. Los adverbios de frecuencia describen la frecuencia de acciones. Remember, always is like 100%. 100%. Usually and normally are like 80%. Often is like 60%. Sometimes it's like 40%. Hardly ever, casi nunca, like 20%, and never is 0%, nunca. These percentages are estimates. Estos porcentajes son estimados, ¿sabe? Tal vez usualmente para mí es mucho más frecuente para ti, tal vez usualmente es muy pocas veces. Casi nunca para mí tal vez es solo una vez al año, pero tal vez un casi nunca para ti es una vez al mes. So it's all relative, todo es relativo. But the most important thing is this. You're going to put the subject and then the frequency adverb and then the verb y después el verbo. Y la misma regla aplica de verbo en su forma base y verbo en tercera persona singular. Si es I, you, we, they o un sujeto plural, se usa un verbo en su forma base. Si es he, she, it o un verbo singular, se usa el verbo en tercera persona en singular, o sea, el verbo con S. Por ejemplo, I always wake up early. Siempre me despierto temprano. My mom always wakes up early. Si siempre me despierto temprano, nunca me despierto, ¿qué?
I never wake up early.
Late.
Late. Late. I never wake up late. If my mom always wakes up early, she never wakes up late. I always wear boots. I never wear siempre uso botas, nunca uso
Tennis shoes or shoes?
tennis shoes,
Sport shoes.
sport shoes, sneakers, high heels, flip-flops, flippers, sandals. Okay. And well, you have a question, Ari?
Well, I was gonna ask you what the difference between flip-flops and sandals.
Ah, okay. Well, you know, some people consider them the same thing, but technically, flip-flops are like chanclas, you know, for the beach,
Okay.
for the beach and pool. And sandals are more like sandalias. Es así, las puedes usar en un lugar. Okay. You can use them in like public places, lugares públicos. Huaraches, casi.
Okay.
All right. Michael or Lloyd, do you have any questions?
No.
All right, good. Let's continue then. How do you say novela in English?
Soap opera.
Soap opera. Soap opera, cartoons, reality show. Soap opera. How do you say las noticias?
The news.
The news. Okay, Unidad 6, lección A. In this lesson, we talk about the existence of places near us. En esta lección hablamos de la existencia de lugares cerca de nosotros. Hay un Oxxo, hay un súper, hay un taller, hay algunos restaurantes. There are two options. Ese hay y un lugar en inglés es there is o there's y el lugar place y there are and lugares plurales, plural places. For example, hay una tienda. There's a store. Hay 10 tiendas. There are 10 stores. Como ustedes saben, el is se usan con cosas singulares y el are se usa con cosas plurales. Also, remember this. Remember this. The adjective goes directly before the place. El adjetivo, si decido usar un adjetivo para describir el lugar, el adjetivo va directamente antes del lugar. Por ejemplo, una casa grande es a big house. No es a house big, It's a big house. La orden cambia en inglés. How do I say hay una tienda grande?
A big store.
There's a
There's
big,
a big store.
yeah, there's a big store. Hay una tienda grande a 10 minutos. 10 minutes away. There's a big store 10 minutes away. And Daniela, how do I say hay dos tiendas grandes?
There are two big stores.
There are two big stores. All right, good. And on the test, there's going to be a question like this. Class, what's correct? A, B, or C?
A.
A. There's a big part. Yeah, B and C are not correct. B and C are not correct. Good. Any questions?
No questions.
All right, let's go on then. Next page, page 57. Unit 6, lesson B. In this lesson, we practiced asking for and giving the time and saying when things start and end. En esta lección practicamos pedir y dar el tiempo y decir cuándo las cosas inician y terminan. The most important question, what time is it? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? It's, Daniela, what time is it?
It's 7:10.
7:10. All right. 7:10, 7:11, same thing. Another question. Do you have the time? ¿Tienes el tiempo? Yes, it's 7:10. It's 7:11. 7:12. What time do you wake up? I wake up at? Yolanda, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5 p.m.
Nice. Michael, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5 a.m.
Thank you. Eloy, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 4 a.m.
4?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I need to
Jesus.
take 2 buses.
2 buses? Oh, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one. What time do you usually go to work? Normalmente me voy al trabajo a las... I usually go to work at 7:30. How about you, Ari?
I usually go to work at 8:45 a.m.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Yolanda?
I usually go to work at 6:30.
Okay, good. What time does your class start? It starts at, recuerda que starts con S, porque es tercera persona singular. And Nadia, what time does your English class start?
It start at 6 p.m.
Starts at 6 p.m. Good. And what time does your English class end? It ends at
7:15.
7:15. Good, good, good. I forgot one thing. Se me olvidó una cosa. En esta lección también aprendimos a dar sugerencias. Giving suggestions. Y las sugerencias se dan con let's, ¿no? Let's. Y un verbo en su forma base. Y es lo equivalente a decir hay que hacer esto. Hay que cenar. Let's have dinner. Hay que estudiar. Let's study. Daniela, how do I say hay que comer?
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Michael, how do I say hay que trabajar?
Let's work.
Let's work. And Eloy, how do I say hay que salir?
Let's go.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Or let's go out. Yeah.
¿Cuál es la diferencia entre go y go out?
Go es irse y go es salir. Okay. That's all, that's all. Pero
Okay.
puede entenderse casi lo mismo, ¿no? Porque es irse, pues es irse afuera. I don't know. Pero ya go out es especificar irse afuera. Porque tal vez let's go puedes irte a otro cuarto. Todavía estás adentro. So go out es especificar que vas para afuera o salir a un lugar. The last one. Hay que estudiar inglés.
Let's
Let's
study English.
Let's study
Let's
English.
study English.
Perfect. Hay que practicar.
Let's practice.
Let's practice.
Let's practice. Let's practice English. Good, good, good. All right, and that's it. That's it. Do you have any questions, class? All right. Well, tomorrow, please try to be early. Try to be early because the test will start at 6:05. Okay. Recuerden, mañana habrá dos exámenes, el examen digital que se hace en Google Forms y después el examen oral. Y después del examen oral les voy a dar un poco de retroalimentación. Recuerden que el día después del examen repasamos el examen, así que si tienen dudas o algo así sobre el examen, lo veremos el jueves y por favor, comuníquenme todas sus dudas. Y igual yo voy a ver los exámenes para ver qué es lo que nos falta practicar más y si es necesario, tomaremos el día lunes para repasar ciertos puntos de esas 3 lecciones, de esas 3 unidades. Okay? Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the class and please study. I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Stay with
you.
me.
Have a good night. Bye.
Thank you too.